I am in the process of making some elderberry cough syrup. I've got 3 cups of water in here, and I put 2.5 cups of 1.5 cup of elderberries in here. So I'm gonna let them just boil for just a few minutes. Then I'll turn the fire off and let them simmer. But this is supposed to be really, really good. I've had it before. I've made it before. Every winter I make it. And it does work very, very good. One of my Gigi babies had a really, really bad cough. So I'm making this batch so she can take some back home with her. Anyway, I'll get back with you guys when I finish the product.